Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a scanning effect for your products using CapCut. So here you can just use any background like this and then add the photo product as overlay. So click on the overlay, add overlay and select the photo. So I'm going to use this one and remove the background if it has any. Okay, so after the background is removed, don't forget to adjust the duration. And after that, here you can adjust the size. Add a keyframe at the start and go to the basic option or transform and click on rotate. Sorry, not this one. Let's find, okay, this one basic and click on rotate. And in here, go to the middle of the photo, add another keyframe and rotate it to a 90 degrees like this, and go to the end and rotate the photo again. Okay, after that, click on the check icon. Now go to effects and click on the video effects. Find the scan category, this one, and select the Blu-ray scanning effect. Click on a check icon and here click on object and choose overlay. So this is the result. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.